Hi! Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat, of course. This is just a short video to announce kung paano ang mechanics natin sa raffle ng Soul4 tickets. We have one ticket to give away. This is sponsored by the ever so gorgeous Miss Lucy. So, alam mo naman yan, very kilalang Ken stan yan. And anything for Ken, talagang gagawin ni Miss Lucy. So, Ken, kung napapanood mo man din to, si Miss Lucy ay maraming talagang kayang i-let out para sa'yo, Ken. So, Ate Lucy is actually one of the biggest Ken stans that I know. Anyway, so here's the mechanics.
Of course, ako magbabasa ng mechanics. Ito na, best. Napakadali lang. Okay, unang-una, ito na ha. Join and get a chance to win Philip Sulfur General Ticket by following these mechanics. Number one, of course, kailangan i-follow mo ang Matt Summer TV sa lahat ng ating social media platform. Of course, kailangan i-like mo tong video to, malalaman namin. And ito na yung question, Diyos ko. Hindi ko nga alam yung sagot dito eh. What is Philip's favorite word of wisdom that he learned from his dad? So now, paano to sasagutin? Sa comment section below. So, una, why do you think this phrase is meaningful to Philip? Of course, state na rin yung favorite Philip song or lyric. Mag-tag kayo ng dalawang YouTube friends, pinahihirapan lang namin kayo at this point, and then you put the answer sa ilalim. Okay, lahat na makakasagot ng tama will be raffled sa Friday afternoon at i-announce namin agad-agad din pagsapit ng gabi sa Friday kung sino yung nanalo. Okay, Blake, ganito lang ha. Nakapending lahat ng comment nyo, so huwag kayong magpanic pag nag-comment kayo tapos hindi lumabas. Pinending ko kasi mangongopya kayo ng mga sagot ng iba. Kilala ko kayo, 'di ba? Classmate tayo
Anyway,
noon.
alam mo naman sa Matt Tower TV. Pero yun lang, so comment kayo. The winners will be announced on Friday night. Or actually, let's make it afternoon. Let's make it afternoon kasi para they have time to prepare. Kasi Philip demands all black sa concert niya. Yun ang attire, all black.
Bagay. Kasi itim ang ano mo.
Actually, ramdam ko yung pag-angat ko sa black eh. But yun, unfortunately, wala tayong pambili ng
Sige,
outfit. So,
cut off is
yun.
3 p.m. ng Friday. Hanggang 3 p.m. lang ang pagsagot. So, humabol na
Yes.
kayo.
Kaya
So,
announce agad natin yan. Send ko na lang via email or pasend ko kay Matt sa official email namin. So, yun. See you soon sa mananalo. And of course, thank you very much for tuning in. I'm your Sugar Spice and sometimes nice. My name is Blake.
and this is Matt. So, good luck.